Hello guys, welcome back to Your Engineer YouTube channel. We are here presenting a course on HTML and CSS, and this is lecture number 22, and in this tutorial video we are going to talk about how to apply styling on table element. So let's start. Let's create a table first. So give a table tag. Inside I am going to create a row for heading where there are two headings, say th, column 1, and another heading th, and there's the column 2. Now again I am going to put some content here, so here I am going to create another row, say tr and td hello, and here in td everyone. Now save it. Once I save it, you can see there a table has been created on my website, which is column 1, column 2, hello everyone. Now I want to apply some CSS here, so let's give here a tag called table. Now in table tag I am going to give a property border 5 pixel, solid black. This is the basic CSS you can apply on any table element. So here you can see that it is inside a elements, the whole table is inside a border. So now next we can apply the styling on different rows. So let's say that I have to apply something on my tr, so use tr, and I'm going to give background color as, let's say, sky blue. Now save it. Once I save it, you can see that each and every row has a background of sky blue. Now I want to create a border into our columns, so let's create it. So I am going to create td, and I am going to give border of, let's say, 2 pixel, solid. Now save it. Now you can see that in my td column the boundary of 2 pixel border has been created. If I want to create it for th, I can create it too. Now say border solid, and it will be 2 pixel. You can see that this is our table. So how it's working, how we can give a styling to th, and it's also a styling in the tr. So what is that? It is called inheriting. Like if I am putting some styling in td, it's first inheriting all the properties of this tr. If I am putting something for this td, let me zoom it. So leave it, let's say, so if I am giving some styling to td, first is inheriting the properties of all the properties of tr. So whatever styling I am applying on tr, that first inherited by td, then whatever css I applied on td, it worked. So first it inherited something from tr, then whatever we apply on td, it will appear on our web browser. So that's why here in every column the background thing that I give to every row is already there, and then the border that we applied on column has been applied to our web browser and or our table element. So that's how table element styling works. I hope you liked the video. So please stay tuned with this. We are going to talk about positioning from the next video and selectors from the next video. So stay tuned, like this video, comment on it. If you have any questions, share it to your friends, and do not forget to subscribe Your Engineer. Thank you very much.